How to make a PowerPoint text appear on a click in your MS Office PowerPoint. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how you can make a particular text only appear when you click onto that particular slide during a slideshow. So as here you can see, I have this presentation right here, and in this presentation we have this text called welcome. So for example, let's say I want this text to only appear or only animate whenever I click using my mouse during a slideshow. So how you can do that is very simple. Just simply select the text that you want to animate and then go to this animations tab from the ribbon. Once you click onto this animations tab, you can see that we have some different types of animations, and you can choose any animation as you want. If you want a very simple basic animation, it is highly recommended that you select the appear option. So once you click onto this appear option, you have also this setting under the timings that says start. So make sure that it is set to on click, and once you have selected on click, the setting has been configured, and then you can view it in your presentation. So let's start a slideshow by clicking onto this slideshow tab at the ribbon, and then from here click onto this from beginning button. And once you click onto this from beginning, you can see that our slideshow has started, but the welcome text is not present here. So all you will need to do is simply click using your mouse cursor like this, and now you can see that the welcome text has appeared like you wanted it to be. So that was all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to drop a subscribe as well. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.